Wait, we had to talk though.
Go over there. Go over there.
Hey, BOH. We gotta make a YouTube.
Hey, Chris. Hey, this is part 2 from this other video. Hey, America. Oh, best couple ever. Oh, best couple ever. Again. Best friend. Oh, cool. I don't know what to say. Hey, this is part 2.
Whoa!
Hey. Hey, Kimberly. Hey, talk to me.
I can't see you.
Okay, this is an interview, guys. So, how was this
Alright.
Okay, my first question is,
Okay, what's your first question?
this party, whose house are we in?
Mine!
And who is this mine? I mean, what's your name?
I'm Marie. Get in there.
Oh, nice. What are we celebrating today?
Can you actually see? Right? Hey, I can't see. I'm really blind. I can't see anything.
Hey, look, it's Nicole. It's my brownie. Aww.
Hey, can I watch that when you're done?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what I'm talking about? Should I start everybody BOH?
Look at those beaners over there. You can't really see them that good.
Just a